want to understand, like, was it something that you were trying to control, the kind of abusive language or the kind of personal things? क्या हो रहा था
I
Amal?
think, see, the thing is, obviously, it's a different animal. That house is not easy to be in. Second, many people were on a on a performance, playing a kirdar or a character to be seen, perceived, loved, respected a certain way. And that's their game. I didn't plan that shit at all. I was like, जो हूँ और मैं हूँ. मेरी लड़ाइयों में बुरे शब्द निकले हैं. मैंने लोगों से लड़ाइयाँ की है. What happened with that girl on that incident was that it was a culmination of too many frustrated days.
फरहाना का.
Yes, that was the only point in the show जो मुझे लगता है कि हाँ मैंने लाइन क्रॉस की, हाँ गलत किया. मेरे को भी बुरा लगता है. मैं कभी भी किसी के पेरेंट्स पे जाके या उसका प्रोफेशन या ऐसी चीज पे मैंने ही खुद कितनी बार रोका लोगों को घर में उससे पहले भी. बट यू नो हियरिंग इन द स्टार्ट व्हेन यू एंटर द पर्सन डजंट नो यू एंड सेज तुम 2 कौड़ी के म्यूजिशियन हो, तुम्हारे पास काम नहीं था इसलिए बिग बॉस पे आए. सलमान खान ने खुद बाहर बोला कि भाई तुम्हारा तो धंधा पानी बहुत सही चल रहा था, तुम क्यों आए? सो व्हेन यू लेट एन अननोन पर्सन टॉक लाइक दैट, आई kept drawing lines with her. I said, don't do it, don't do it. She would do it to someone else also. So she was getting scot-free away with many things. And I was like, you would not perceive it as a woman card or you not perceive it like, but she took advantage of being a girl.
In the past, when someone said that, no, you know, I feel like he doesn't do remixes, but, you know, all of that, but he's also been a part of it. You've been always said that, but you have been very clear in what kind of choices you've made as a composer also.
If in a 130 song career, if I have 5 recreations, then that speaks enough that I didn't chase the bag.
Yeah.
There are boys of my generation who were afraid of the biggest labels of this country and said, ki, Ji sir, and they made their 40 crores. I didn't care about the money.
You still don't, isn't it?
Doesn't matter to me. My means are met in 3 grand a day. I don't need more than that. Everything else is bonus. I'm born on the same day as Tupac, man. I'll take a bullet but say the truth. It's okay. Someone wants to align my name within the industry, which they do. If someone wants to say through their interviews, other artists, कह रहे उसने भी remix किया. कैसे किया वो आप देखो. कभी किसी का क्रेडिट खाया नहीं. कभी बोला कि ये गाना मेरा है या मैंने रिक्रिएट नहीं किया. People sit and put their names on other songs and say कि मैंने बनाया. Never done that. Has any composer whose original I've touched ever woken up and said he destroyed my song? Never. So you go and see what all has happened before, and they don't say it to my face because half of them are afraid of me.